What's up, guys? Welcome back to a quick video. This is Alex, mtb Alex, and today I just got something in the mail. This thing, I think if I'm not mistaken, came in from China. Sorry about the noise. My wife is changing clothes on my youngest girl. If you can hear that. Look at this. Koozer. So some of you might already know what this is. Got this from AliExpress. I actually paid $76.80 with shipping and everything. I ordered them on February the 2nd. Today is the 20th. And they just arrived today, 20 days later. So if you don't know what it was, this is what it is. I have some hubs. So the main reason I ordered this is because I wanted a rear hub. More likely a boost hub. So this is a KM490 Koozer, and these are 142s by 12 millimeters. That's the rear one. Let's hear that sound. Oh, that sounds nice. It's an HG hub, regular hub. Oh, that sounds so nice. And this is a 36 hole. So that's why the price, it was hard to get. So some of you might already know what this is for. Now the front, however, is 15, but it's by 100. It's not by one. Although I don't know if I might be able to buy. If you know, can I buy some of these caps that will make it a 115? I know they sell the spacers. Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be caps, because if you want to make it a 115, you're gonna have to get the spacer also for the rotor as well. So it's a pretty simple conversion, but the main reason I got this was because of the rear one. Probably already know what this is gonna go on. If you know, leave it down in the comments. I have never laced up a wheel, so I might end up doing that myself. Also, let me know down in the comments if you want me to do a video of me lacing it up. I have like I said, I never done it, so I watched a few videos about how to do it. So I might just, if I ended up recording it, I might link those as instructions or explain the best that I can. But hear that again. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clicking things, whatever they call. Don't give me hell. I'm liking this a lot. So yeah, this was just a quick unboxing video. Like I said, I'll leave like I said, I got it from AliExpress, so I really don't have affiliate links for this. If I can find an affiliate link for this product on Amazon, I will leave the affiliate link in the description below. However, these are the XM490, and they're 36 hole. So yeah, guess if you know what this is gonna go on, or what type of wheel this is gonna go on. And also let me know if you want me to do a lacing wheel, a spoking wheel, whatever, because like I said, I've been playing with how to Thru wheels, and I've done it in the past. So that's gonna be a challenge, but I'm pretty sure I can do it. Again, this was $76.80. Took 20 days to get here. Super fast response, and looking forward to this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't checked my affiliate links in the description below, please check those out. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, turn the notifications bell on. Other than that, that's it for this one. And I'll see you on the trail. Let's ride. Bye.